Welcome. Today I will show you 5 time saver tricks in Excel that can seriously boost your productivity. And make sure to watch till the end because trick number 5 is the one even most Excel pros forget to use it. But it can save you hours every week. So let's get started. Here we have a sales data. This is an imaginary data. The time saver number 1 is alt plus equal. We shall use it to get sum of values. Let's see how. Let's suppose I have to get sum of monthly sales. I will select the entire data, press alt plus equal, press enter, and you can see that it will give you total monthly sales without putting the much effort. Time saver number 2. Double click the fill handle. Let's see how. Let's suppose we need to calculate total earning of the employee. The total earning is bonus plus commission earned. Press enter. Here we have got the total earning for only one employee. Click on the cell, and once you see this plus sign, the fill handle sign, double click from your mouse and you can see that it will fill the same formula till the end of your data. Time saver number 3. Easily changing the number formatting. Let's suppose I want to get this monthly sales in a currency format. Let's suppose in dollars. We shall use it Control Shift plus dollar sign to make it in dollar sign. Let's see how. Select the entire data, press Control Shift dollar sign, and you see that our monthly sales are now converted into dollars. Time saver number 4. Quickly formatting the number format. Let's see how. Let's suppose I need to format this commission earned column. I will select the entire column, press Ctrl plus 1, and here you can see that we can change the number format, we can change the alignment, we can change the font family, font style, font size, and the font color. Let's suppose we get the font color as red. We can change the borders, we can change the fill. From this fill you can choose any color of your choice. So here I will choose light blue, press OK, and now you can see that our column formatting is changed by using Ctrl 1. And the last and the most important is navigating from your sheet by using Control page up and page down. Let's see how. If I press Control page down, I will come to the next sheet from left to right, and if I select Control page up, I will navigate through right to left. That's all for today. See you in the next one.